In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone in CoinMarketCap. There are times when you might find yourself needing to revisit a decision to block someone on this platform. Whether it's a user you previously had disagreements with, or perhaps a colleague whose messages you now need to view, unblocking is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together to make sure you feel confident in managing your network on CoinMarketCap. First, you'll want to start by locating the profile icon on the website. This icon is found in the upper right corner of your screen. It's your starting point for accessing various personal settings related to your account. Hover over this icon and it will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu offers a number of options related to your account management, each useful in different scenarios. Once you've clicked on the profile icon, the next step is to select Settings from the menu. It's here where you'll find the more in-depth management options for your account. The settings area houses a variety of controls, such as those for notifications and privacy, among others. Our focus will be on navigating to the area where blocked accounts are managed, but it's always useful to know what other adjustments can be made to customize your experience. In the settings section, you'll need to find the option labeled Block Accounts. Within this, you'll see Manage, which is where you want to go next. Click on Manage to enter the list of accounts that you have previously blocked. This is an important section because maintaining a good list of blocked and unblocked users can ensure that your interactions on the platform remain exactly how you want them to be. Now that you're in the Manage section under Block Accounts, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the accounts that you've blocked. This is where you'll be able to review the list and make decisions about who to unblock. Take a moment here to ensure that you're choosing the right account to unblock, as some of these names might be unfamiliar if your list is long. If you've decided which user you'd like to unblock, simply select the option next to their name to unblock them. Once you've confirmed unblocking an account, you'll find that your interactions with them will return to normal. You'll be able to send and receive messages, see their updates, and engage with them just like before. Remember, managing your block list is a dynamic and adjustable practice. It allows you to control your social interactions on the platform efficiently. And there you have it, a clear and straightforward way to unblock someone on CoinMarketCap. Whether for personal or professional reasons, it's always helpful to know how to navigate these settings with ease. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.